What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Dreaming Sideways channel. Today we are going to be replacing an alternator on a 2007 Acura TSX. To start off, we're going to be wanting to take this hose clamp off, pulling it back so we'll have room to pull it out, and take off this connector and this connector right back here. To do so, all you're going to need is this right here. So take off this and the electrical connection. Next, you're going to need a 10mm wrench to pull that back and off. After you've done that, next what you're going to need to do is go right down here to this bolt right here, and that's a 14mm bolt, and you're going to need to release the tension from the belt from it, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. Now, releasing the tension on the belt is fairly easy. Just grab you a 14, maybe a little bit bigger size, use a cheater bar. Put it on the nut, make sure it's good and snug. A little bit difficult here, but ain't impossible. Alright, and you grab a cheater bar, put it on there just like this. Oh, shit. See? Good pull. You pull it back. When you pull it back, it'll release tension on this belt, and all you gotta do is take it from here and pull it to the side. After pulling out these 3 bolts, your alternator is now loose in its place and it is free to pull out. After twisting it to get everything out the way, we are almost there and it's out. Alrighty, that is all you have to do to remove a alternator on 2007 Acura TSX. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be posting a video of putting in a new one. Also stay tuned. I am currently working on a 1990 NA Miata turbocharged. Yeah, big boy. I am currently replacing this black that someone had done a really thin coat on and taking it back to its original white. Make it look a little bit better in here. It's taking a little bit of time, but I will be getting it done soon.